Proper ventilation plays a major role in maintaining a comfortable and healthy home, especially in Covington, where warm temperatures, humidity, and seasonal weather shifts can make indoor air feel stagnant. While many homeowners focus on HVAC systems for comfort, window design is just as important. One feature that offers both beauty and functionality is the bay window. Beyond enhancing curb appeal and interior space, bay windows can significantly improve airflow when designed and used correctly. Here's how bay windows help Covington homeowners enjoy better ventilation and everyday comfort. Multiple operable windows create better airflow. Unlike standard single windows, bay windows typically include multiple panels, often with one or two operable side windows. These operable sections allow homeowners to open different parts of the bay to control airflow. This design makes it easier to draw fresh air into the home, release warm, stale air, create cross-ventilation within a room, improve overall air circulation in Covington homes. This added airflow helps reduce stuffiness during warm and humid months. Cross-ventilation improves indoor comfort. Cross-ventilation occurs when air enters through one opening and exits through another. Bay windows enhance this effect by allowing airflow from multiple angles. When paired with windows on opposite walls or nearby openings, bay windows encourage consistent air movement, help cool rooms naturally, reduce reliance on air conditioning, improve comfort during mild weather. This natural ventilation is especially useful during spring and fall when outdoor conditions are comfortable. Better air movement helps manage humidity. Humidity is a common concern for Covington homeowners. Without proper ventilation, moisture can build up indoors, leading to discomfort and potential air quality issues. Bay windows help by allowing humid air to escape, promoting airflow that dries indoor spaces, reducing condensation near windows, supporting healthier indoor air quality. Improved ventilation is especially beneficial in living rooms, dining areas, and front-facing spaces where bay windows are often installed. Flexible window styles enhance ventilation options. Bay windows can be customized with different window styles to maximize airflow. Casement or double-hung side windows are popular choices because they open wide and allow precise control over ventilation. These styles funnel breezes into the home, allow airflow even during light rain, provide adjustable ventilation based on weather conditions. This flexibility gives Covington homeowners greater control over indoor comfort. Natural cooling reduces energy use. When bay windows are used strategically, they support natural cooling by bringing fresh air into the home. This reduces dependence on air conditioning during mild weather. Benefits include lower energy usage, reduced utility costs, less strain on HVAC systems, a more comfortable living environment. Natural ventilation is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Improved airflow without sacrificing light or style. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is that they improve ventilation without blocking natural light. Large glass panels keep rooms bright and open, while operable sections manage airflow. Covington homeowners enjoy brighter interiors, fresh, circulating air, enhanced views, and design appeal, a balance of beauty and function. This makes bay windows a practical upgrade for both comfort and aesthetics. Professional installation maximizes ventilation performance. To get the full ventilation benefits, bay windows must be installed correctly. Professional installation ensures proper alignment of operable windows, secure sealing to prevent air leaks when closed, smooth operation for daily use. Expert installation allows homeowners to enjoy fresh air without sacrificing energy efficiency. A breath of fresh air for Covington homes. Bay windows do more than enhance appearance. They play an important role in improving ventilation for Covington homes. With multiple operable sections, improved airflow, and flexible design options, bay windows help manage humidity, reduce reliance on AC, and create a more comfortable indoor environment. For homeowners looking to enhance airflow while adding charm and value, bay windows offer a smart, stylish solution that supports healthier, more enjoyable living spaces.